Do you want to improve your muscular strength and endurance?
Or do you need to lose weight?
Or improve your cardiovascular fitness?
Are you an athlete who wants to improve your athletic performance?
Or improve your power strength?
We got it all for you!
Hi, we are here to guide you to your fitness concern. So, here are the series of circuit trainings and plyometrics exercises to satisfy your needs and to improve your health and fitness.
Jumping jacks. First, stand with feet together, arms at sides. Second, jump feet out, then swing arms overhead. Third, jump feet back in, then lower the arms. And repeat. Jumping jacks work every muscle and improve cardio. It also strengthens your muscles and burn fat. Squats. First, stand with feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Second, place your right arm into your left shoulder and your left arm to the right. Third, hinge hips back, keep the chest up, and lower into squat. And lastly, press through heels to stand up and squeeze your glutes. Squats helps boost your metabolism and aid the weight loss. It also improves mobility and strengthens joints. Push up. First, get in plank position. Your hands shoulder width apart. Then, bend elbows to lower chest to floor. And lastly, press back up, keeping the core tight. Push-up helps to burn the calories and protect the joints. It also improves the balance, the posture, and the flexibility of our body. Alternate lunges. First, stand with feet together. Second, take a wide step forward with one foot. Then, lower body until next back knee almost touches the ground. Keep front tight parallel to ground and the weight is on the front heel. And lastly, push back up to start, then repeat to another foot. Working it one side at a time to correct imbalances. It engages core for stability and balance. It also improves hip flexibility and reduces the injury. Bench tips. First, sit on bench and place hands next to thighs. Second, walk the feet out and lift hips off to the bench. Then, bend the elbows to lower the body until the arms at 90 degrees. And lastly, press back up through the palms. Bench dips develop strength in chest, triceps, and shoulders. It also enhances posture and balance. Glute bridges. First, lie on back. Bend your knees and keep your feet flat. Second, engage glutes and lift hips up. Hold at the top, then lower back down. And repeat. Glute bridges increase the glute strength and target hamstrings. It also stabilizes core without equipment. Burpees. First, stand. Squat down and place hands on the floor. Then, kick feet back into plank. Next, jump feet back in and jump up, reaching the arms overhead, and repeat. Burpees is a full body cardio and strength workout that improves body coordination, balance, and agility. Squat jump. First, stand with feet shoulder width apart. Next, squat down, then explode up by jumping. And lastly, land softly and immediately squat again, and repeat. Squat jumps increases lower body strength and power. It also improves the cardiovascular fitness. Back jump. First, stand with feet wide. Then, bend the knees and jump up. Bring the knees towards up. And lastly, land softly. Then bring your position back to stand. And repeat. Back jumps enhance the athletic performance and increase the muscle power output. High knees. First, stand tall and engage the core. Then, quickly alternate bringing knees to up while pumping arms in the opposition to legs. And repeat. High knees activate legs and improve endurance. It also boosts balance and coordination. Power skip. First, stand tall and feet hip width apart. Second, drive one knee to the up and push off the other foot. Next, land softly and switch the other legs. Repeat it by alternating the legs. Power skip develop lower body strength and explosiveness. It also increases the vertical leap and the agility of the body. Box jump. First, stand facing box. Second, bend the knees and explode up by swinging the arms and land on the box. Next, bring your position back in stand. And lastly, step foot back down. Box jump builds leg strength and power. It enhances fitness and improves the balance.